The diameter of the shackle will always be measured from the bow, not the pin. The pin will always be slightly larger. If we take a look at these measurements here for bow and pin, and we compare that to a 7/8 shackle, we can see that we get the same diameter for the bow, but one size bigger for the pin. When doing up a screw pin shackle, you want to make sure that the pin is fully engaged and that we are not doing a quarter turn back. This practice is also confirmed by Crosby. When sizing your slings for your shackles, you want to make sure that you don't have any bunching in the bow like we see here. Ideally, you want a nice flat surface like we see with this Sling Saver shackle. This one's designed for a 2-inch sling, so always try to size the best you can. You never want to engrave into the body of a shackle, but Crosby shackles do have this nice raised flat spot here for any type of engraving you need. When shackling a choke, you want to make sure that you always avoid having the live side of the sling rolling over the pin, as that can actually cause it to undo as you start to take weight. You want to always make sure that you have the eye of the sling going through the pin, then you avoid any potential movement. Our bolt style shackles are what we want to use for long-term rigging, and our screw pin shackles are what we want to use for our quick picks. Ideally, we want our hook to be centered on the pin, so you could use spacers like this in order to make that possible. New from Crosby in 2026 is the Easy Lock system. This will replace the bolt, nut, and cotter pin system and make installation a lot quicker. This will be available for 1.5 inch and larger to start.